Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Told you I was doing some camping videos. Today we had leftover flour tortillas for making tacos the other night, and I'm going to reuse them for today's lunch. They're going to be tortilla shells with our leftover salsa with our hot dogs. So here's a quick, easy video on how to make your own floured tortilla chips at home, just like restaurant style. Cut the tortilla shells into wedge-shaped pieces, and I just took the whole stack and cut them. So once you've cut your chips into, I did 6 for a small pack of tortillas. Sorry, I just used this brand right there. They were just the small ones. It's better with corn tortillas, but these were leftover flour tortillas we had. You take them over here to the stove. We got a little bit of grease going. We're going to flip them. Next, in small batches, just go ahead and drop the tortillas into your hot oil. You can use any oil of your choice. When golden brown on both sides, take the tortillas out and put them in a pan with a paper towel to help drain the grease. Sprinkle each layer with just a little bit of sea salt for flavor. Remember, you're going to have some more salt falling on the layers below as you do this, so don't get heavy-handed with the salt. Just keep repeating until you have run out of tortilla chips. Remember, you can just use a low flame. You don't need a real hot flame. Slow is a little bit better in this case than really hot and fast. Remember to keep a good eye on them or they're going to get brown really fast on you. And again, go ahead and put them in the oil. Just going to keep repeating the same process till I'm done with all the chips. Just hear that. Love that sizzle. Stir them around so they all separate. Don't want to put too many in here. You want them to be able to float around and get nice and brown. And once they're brown, we're going to flip them on the other side. Not quite ready, but we're just going to keep kind of turning them here. Nice and brown. Once they start to brown, it won't be long. Get them starting to turn over here. There, see that one up there? Starting to turn brown. So you can tell. Kind of stir them around so they all get a chance to. It's a little hotter. Got a hot spot on this camp stove. They'll split, especially these small ones. These were the end pieces. Those in there. As soon as they're nice and golden, I'm going to take them out and put them over here with the other ones. See, that one's getting gold on both sides. Start taking them out. You can tell when they're getting ready. Just going to keep repeating this till we have them all done. We've got them in there. And again, just a little pinch of salt between your fingers. Not too much. Every other layer is getting a little pinch of salt so they're not too salty. There you have it, Rebel Canners. And as soon as they're brown, take them out, put them in the pan, sprinkle a little salt on them. And there you have it. Homemade tortilla chips. Perfect with your favorite brand of salsa, and a great way to use up what we have are leftover tortillas from camping this week. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. Please like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook.